Okay, so today we're gonna we're diving into something pretty interesting.
Yeah,
It's
definitely.
all about BlackRock.
BlackRock.
They're the
Yeah.
world's biggest asset manager,
Mm.
and they're making some uh
Big.
big moves
Yeah,
into the blockchain space.
definitely.
They're expanding this thing they have called BUIDL. It's a
It's their tokenized fund.
tokenized fund, yeah.
Right, right.
And they're putting it on like a whole bunch of different blockchains.
Yeah, a bunch of them.
So we're gonna
Well-
dig into what that all means.
Yeah, what is a tokenized fund?
Yeah, like what is that?
For people who might not know.
Yeah, exactly.
So basically it's like, you know how you can own a piece of a traditional fund?
Right.
It's kind of like that, but instead of having like a paper certificate or something,
Yeah.
your ownership is represented by like a digital token
Okay.
on a blockchain.
So it's like
It makes everything a lot smoother for like buying and selling and just tracking your investment.
makes it more transparent, I guess.
Way more transparent.
Cool. Okay, so this BUIDL thing,
Yeah.
BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund.
Catchy name, right?
It's a mouthful.
But
It was already on Ethereum, right?
it was, and it just blew up.
It like became the biggest.
Within 40 days, it was the world's largest tokenized fund.
Wow.
It's crazy.
How would you think it?
I think there's a couple of reasons.
Okay.
First of all, I think there's just a ton of demand
From-
from big investors.
Oh, institutions.
Yeah, institutions, they want in on digital assets.
They see the potential.
Absolutely.
Blockchain.
Yeah.
More efficient, transparent.
Yeah.
And the other thing is BlackRock is BlackRock.
Yeah. Oh.
When a company that big does something, everyone pays attention.
So now they're expanding it to all these other blockchains.
Yeah. Aptos, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Optimism, and Polygon.
5 more. That's
Did a lot.
each one is different, right?
Yeah. Each one brings something different.
Like, what's Arbitrum about? Arbitrum is all about speed and low fees.
Okay.
Like crazy low fees.
How low?
Fractions of a penny to move your money around.
That's wild.
It could be huge for traders.
Okay, what about like...
Avalanche.
Yeah.
Avalanche is about scalability.
Okay.
It can handle so many transactions,
Makes sense.
which is important as more people get into this stuff.
And Aptos.
Aptos is all about security.
Oh, okay.
It uses something called Byzantine fault tolerance.
Byzantine fault tolerance.
It's pretty intense.
Sounds like it.
But hey, when we're talking about money, security is key.
True.
And then we've got Optimism and Polygon.
Okay.
Those are what we call layer 2 solutions.
Layer
They
2.
basically make Ethereum transactions faster and cheaper
All right.
by handling them off of the main blockchain.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah,
So it's like BlackRock is giving people a lot of choices then.
exactly. More options, more flexibility for accessing BUIDL.
It's not just choice though, right?
No, it's about the advantages these blockchains bring.
Advantages like
Yeah. Well, think about on-chain returns.
what does that mean?
You can track how your investment is doing
Like in real time.
real time directly on the blockchain.
No more waiting for a statement or whatever.
Exactly. Way more transparent.
That's going to be appealing to people.
Especially compared to how traditional finance works.
Yeah.
And then there's peer-to-peer transfers.
Peer-to-peer. So I can just...
You can send your shares directly to another person
Oh, wow.
securely and instantly.
No middleman.
No middlemen, no delays, no extra fees.
BlackRock is really pushing the envelope here.
They are, but they're not alone.
Oh, right. BNY Mellon?
BNY Mellon is on board with this.
That's a big deal.
Huge. They're like a titan of traditional finance.
So even the old guard is starting to...
They're taking blockchain seriously now.
So this is a pretty big bet by BlackRock.
Yeah, I'd say so.
This multi-chain expansion and BNY Mellon's support.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it feels like a...
It feels like a big shift.
in the whole financial world.
Definitely.
And it makes you wonder, right? How is this going to affect, like...
Yeah, how will this affect regular investors?
Yeah.
Will it make these complex financial things easier to understand?
More transparent.
Or will it create new problems, new risks?
That's the question, isn't it?
It is.
I guess we'll have to see.
Yeah, we'll have to see how it all plays out.
But BlackRock is definitely shaking things up.
They are.
The financial world is paying attention.
Yeah, they have to.
That's for sure.
It's definitely something to think about.
It is. Thanks for breaking it all down.
Of course.
Really interesting stuff.
Thanks for having me.
All right, that's our deep dive for today. We'll be back soon with more, so stay tuned.